Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we're designing a beautiful autumn wedding save the date, one of the most popular styles for this fall season. We'll start with a template, customize it step by step, and I'll show you how to use the calendar feature to make your design even more unique and memorable. First, let's pick a save the date template so we don't have to start from scratch. This helps you save time and focus on the fun part, customizing. As you can see, there are tons of beautiful options to choose from. I'm going to select this one right here. It already has a nice modern layout that works perfectly for our theme. Now let's switch things up. On the settings panel, change the orientation from portrait to landscape. Next, we'll make our elements fit nicely within the new layout. I'll move all the text to the right side and adjust the image to sit neatly on the left. There we go, that's already looking balanced. Time to give this design that boho autumn vibe. Let's start with the heading. I'll change the color from white to a warm brown tone, something earthy but still elegant. Then I'll apply that same color to the couple's names to keep everything cohesive. Now let's duplicate this text and type "for the wedding of." Nice! Let's just fine-tune the spacing and positioning until everything feels perfectly aligned. Normally, a save the date includes the wedding date, but instead of typing it out, we're going to use one of Templett's newest and most helpful features, the calendar element. It's such a cute and creative way to display a special date while keeping the design clean and modern. Go to Elements, click on Calendar, select your year, choose your month, and then click Add Calendar. Just like that, it's added to your design. Now click Edit to customize it. Change the weekday format to 3-letter, all caps. Increase the font size just a bit. Make the numbers larger for better visibility. Thin out the stroke width. Position the dates centered. And finally, match the color to our heading. And let's not forget, we still need to highlight the date. So, back in Elements, click on Shapes this time and choose one. I'm using the heart. Place it on top of one of the days. Then under Color, select the same earthy tone we used for our heading and make it a little bit transparent. And that's it. Such an easy way to make the date stand out beautifully. Now, let's add a few finishing touches. I'll duplicate one of our text boxes, move it to the bottom, and type "Formal invitation to follow." Next, let's add the month right above the calendar. I'll duplicate another text box, place it on top, and type November 2026. To finish it off, let's add a few autumn details. Go to Elements, click Illustrations, and type Autumn. This one looks perfect. Warm tones and soft leaves. I'll add it to the top corner and then duplicate it to place another one at the bottom. If things overlap, remember you can adjust the layers on the right panel to move elements forward or backward. Once everything looks balanced and clean, you're done. A cozy, boho-inspired autumn save the date ready to impress. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to check out our channel. We post videos like this all the time, full of tips and ideas to help you grow your digital shop. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.